Yes, I have one of these dorky hats. You know, the furry, eary, flappy thingies, like in Fargo. And I love it. It really keeps your head warm, and it's soft and furry, and you can pet your hat and keep warm. And today I didn't feel the best. My mouth hurt really, really bad, and I spent a good part of the day in bed. And the cat's not feeling good either. We're having really cold weather tonight, but it's supposed to warm up next week. Who knows? Go figure. But anyway, this is it. I'm sorry. I have some ideas for tomorrow if I can get up and get going and do it. And yeah, it's political commentary, but you know, you're not supposed to talk about religion and politics, but apparently somebody that's running for office has both in their campaign. And I might make a retort against that. I mean, why did the Pilgrims move to this country from England? Separation of religion and state. What are they doing now? Trying to glue it together. I think it's supposed to be separate. Oh, there's so many issues. But it's a good thing I'm feeling under the weather, because then I'd be blithering on. Upward and onward.